Hi, I'm Bean. I'm about to color my hair orangey-ish. So yeah, enjoy that. Let's do it. I have blue gloves that match my hideous blue shirt that I'm okay with getting a little bit of orange on. So I'm just gonna lather this all over my head like I did back in the emo days. Chris isn't gonna help me out. I'm gonna do it all by myself. Cause today we are using Manic Panic. This is their newer line. It's a creamtone line, which is basically just like pastels. I have with me Dreamsicle, which is like the color of a creamsicle.
I thought it was a dreamsicle.
Dreamsicle, which is like the color of a creamsicle. Itchy.
Is it dreamsicle?
Yeah, the color's called Dreamsicle, but it's named after a creamsicle. So I'm just trying to smell it. How does one get into these without breaking their nails and teeth? I mean, holy crap. I think I just broke my nail, actually. I felt it bend back. It just bent back. Right? Do you guys want to see this? Can you tell? Well, that needs to come off. Thank you. Be careful. All right, well. That's lovely. I'm gonna actually take my jewelry off before we get started, just cuz. Thank you. Okay, well, I'm just gonna take small sections of my hair with a ponytail holder, because that's what I did back in the day. Even though my hair's too short for this now, really, it's whatever. Okay, cute. Nice and oily. I really need to shower. Thank you guys so much for watching this. And not being repulsed. Maybe not being repulsed. I honestly don't even know why you're watching this. It's not informative, instructional, not pretty. Anyway, Chris has the lid here. Oh, and he has it on his fingers. It's a really pretty color. So I'm just gonna start rubbing it all over my head. Okay, so the tea with Manic Panic is that it does stain your skin pretty bad. So they tell you, I say as I put it like right on my skin. So they tell you not to apply it directly to your scalp, but I'm gonna get as close to my scalp as I possibly can because I'm not trying to have like, it's already turning orange, do you see that? Pretty. So I'm not trying to have like super crazy cool roots with this like warm tone throughout the rest of my hair. It's gonna look stupid. So I'm gonna lather everything. It's very like DIY friendly. Oh yes, get it all on the back of your neck, Jillian. Lovely. I'm getting this all over myself. Hopefully my foundation will like block it a little bit. Okay, next section. Yes, get it on your face again. Perfect. I look like a fucking mess. This smells really good. Like it almost smells like orange. And of course I try to start talking as soon as like the dump truck is driving by. But I really hope that this turns out okay, because I know that my hair is pretty dark for trying to put like a pastel shade on top of it. And it's so far looking kind of pinky, which I'm fine with, because I mean, I've had pink hair for a little bit now. Pink is my favorite color. I used to color my hair pink a lot. Like I would put it in my bangs and like underneath my hair. And at one point in my life, I had half black, half pink hair, which is pretty wild. But yeah, pink tends to look okay on me. I haven't had orange in a while though. Orange was one of the first colors that I actually ever colored my hair. In like elementary school, I started lightening it and coloring it like a orange. But it was like pretty natural orange, like a gingery orange. Not like a auburn, like a brown orange, but just like a light orange. I'm saying orange so much, like how many shades of orange can there possibly be? But yeah. Goodness. My hair is like screaming for help right now. It's like, why are you putting literal rubber bands in me when I'm half wet, half dry? Like, do you want me to die? Do you want me to fall off? I hope I have enough. I'm getting to the top of my head and the jar is looking pretty sad. I can see the bottom of it, so we shall see. But yeah, Manic Panic is really, really soft and conditioning. Like it's very easy to move around and you can tell that it isn't just doing harm to your hair. Obviously, it's just like an additive color, so it doesn't have like a developer or anything like that. It does have a bit of alcohol in it, I believe. Yeah, but I mean, it's relatively a really good way to go if you want to color your hair and not just fuck it up completely. Of course, that being said, with these pastel colors, it's obviously better if you have pre-lightened hair. Like, I don't imagine this is really gonna do much to my roots, but I'm still trying just to see if they can blend together okay. I'm really trying to massage everything in together because I have this top little chunk of hair and only this much product left. So I'm a little scared. I'm officially scraping the edges with my fingers now. I would say that out of my whole head, this section is probably the most important to have a lot of color saturated on it, and it is ironically the last section that I did. So I am praying that everything comes out evenly. It's looking pretty pink so far, surprisingly. But the reason Chris and I originally wanted to buy Manic Panic was so that I could put a little bit of it in my conditioner and like use it every day to just kind of make my hair fade more pretty. So I'm not really expecting this to be like a major transformation or anything, because I'm probably still gonna use those Kinder colors to properly color my hair whenever I need it. But this was basically just kind of like a maintenance thing pretty much. So we're just experimenting to see just how pigmented the cream tones are, to see if I should put them in my conditioner, if I should just apply them as is, like just slap it all over my head, like once a week or something. But yeah, I mean, I'm pretty much done. I'm just like massaging everything in as much as possible. It does say 30 minutes. Okay, I'm going to process her for 30 minutes and we will see what the end result is. I'm excited. I think it is gonna help my hair appear more even. Hopefully, that's the goal. Probably a similar color to what I already have-ish, just a bit more vibrant. Yeah, we'll see. That's my like expectation, that's my bet. Okay, so we are in the last like 30-ish seconds. Yeah, last 30 seconds. I'm here with Nin. She just got her nails cut. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nin's like, I know what that means. That played whenever I got my hair colored too. Oh, I'm sorry, I booped your face. If you want to see how we did her little blush, make sure you watch my cat fur coloring video. I'm still so sorry for that, but you look so ridiculously cute. Like, I can't take her seriously anymore whenever she's like beating me up and everything. It's just so funny. It's so funny. She has freaking blush on, and now my hair is about to be the same color as her fur. We're gonna be little orange girls. I just have to put on blush like you. I'm gonna go wash. I'm sorry, Nin. She got all cozy. It's just love bites. And they see now she's kissing. I don't think she wants me to get up. I have to go, honey. Why are we filming right now? What is it? Okay, so here's my completed hair. Everything is a bit more orangey, but it overall didn't do much. I wasn't expecting a lot. This might be a little bit less than what I expected, but generally I think it's a good way to maintain this apricot-y colored hair. So yeah, I will probably be doing that from now on. But here's the tea. I want to give some like good proper instruction using what I've learned today. So step 1, to have apricot hair, get an ombre. Step 2, get an ombre and magically look like Jill. Anyway, no, but really when using the cream tone thing next time, what I'll do is I will actually apply it from the top part of my head first. So what I'll do is I'll section out a part at the top and do this, even though that's a lot of work, and then roll it into a little bun, sit it on my head, take the next section, like that, push it up, and just do it from the top down if possible. If that's not possible, then I'll just start from my bang area. But in general, I think it's pretty cute. And yeah, I'll probably repeat that once a week before I jump in the shower or something, move way quicker than I did with this video because I was like talking. And that will be my hair routine for now, I guess, until I put in like an actual bold, vibrant color, who knows. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to see how Chris cut my hair, make sure to check out that video. But otherwise, I guess I will talk to you later. Bye.